We are on the frozen ocean in Oulu. We are 5 minutes from the city center.
We do things really differently here. We sit in a hot sauna, but after that we jump in a frozen lake. We cycle into minus 25 degrees, and we have really nice winter activities like snow kiting.
Well, snow kiting is a winter version of kite surfing, where we have kite between 8 to 14 square meters. And we use the power of the kite to move us. You can use either snowboard or normal skis.
Arctic activities and Arctic Twist is a quite big thing in the cultural program of Oulu 2026. It is all about joy and fun with snow and ice. We still have the snow and ice, but we also see it disappearing. In our cultural program, we address the climate change issues. We are doing our events in a really sustainable way. In Frozen People Festival, for example, the audience is encouraged to produce electricity with bicycle to light the installations in the event area. We have guidelines to each project, how they can act and make the events sustainable. One of our flagship productions called Climate Clock is all about how art can show our changing environment and reminds us how we need to act for the future. In 2026 we will have culture, art and a lot of fun outdoors. No matter what the weather condition will be in this Arctic scene, it's just a matter of clothing what you can do.
We also participated on the event Frozen People, providing more traditional kites like toy kites. We also want to push the culture of kite flying in Oulu, not just with snow kiting, but kite flying in general.